Hello everyone, welcome back. Hope you are all staying safe and healthy. Today I'm going to share with you a recipe video which is of chili gobi. It's somewhat like chili chicken, a bit spicy with Chinese flavors in it. It's a best side dish for fried rice. So without wasting time, let's see the recipe. First of all, let's marinate the cauliflower. For that I've taken 2 tablespoons of corn flour and 2 tablespoons of maida or all-purpose flour. To this I'll be adding about 1.5 teaspoon of soya sauce, 1 teaspoon of vinegar, 1 egg is completely optional, a pinch of salt, a teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, and now we have to mix this really well. Add about 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste also. Now I'll be adding the cauliflower. This cauliflower has been kept in hot water with turmeric powder and salt, and then I've strained it in a strainer, washed with cold water, and then adding it to this mixture. Keep it aside for at least 30 minutes. Now time to fry the cauliflowers, adding oil to the kadai, and once the oil is hot, I'll be adding the cauliflower. Do not overcrowd the kadai with cauliflower. Add in 2 batches and fry it. Once it is brown in color, take it out from the oil and transfer it to a tissue paper. Now for the gravy, add 2 tablespoons of oil, then add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. To that add 1 tablespoon of spring onion white, roasted well, and then add 1 onion cubed, 4 to 5 green chilies slit, and roast these really well. Then add about half capsicum cubed, then roast it well and close it with a lid to cook the capsicum for about a minute. After a minute, open the lid and now it's time to add the sauces. About 1 tablespoon of chili garlic sauce, 1 tablespoon of tomato ketchup, 1 tablespoon of hot sauce, 1 tablespoon of soya sauce, and 1 teaspoon of vinegar. I'm adding here about half teaspoon of sugar, which is completely optional. Then adding 2 drops of red food color, which is also optional. Mix it really well and let it cook for about a minute. Then add 1 tablespoon of corn flour mixed in 1 glass of water to the sauces and mix it well and let it boil for about a minute. Check the salt now and only add if it is required. After that, add all the fried cauliflowers to the gravy and mix it well. If you want dry chili gobi, this is it. Mix it well and it's ready. And if you want a little bit of gravy, add about half cup of hot water. Make sure to add only hot water and let it boil for about a minute, and chili gobi with gravy will be ready. At last, garnish it with spring onion green, cubed onions and cubed capsicum. The chili gobi is ready. Hope you all liked today's video. Please do try this recipe and give your valuable comments and suggestions in the comment box. I'm adding all the details of the recipe in the description box below. Please do check that also. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and take care and bye-bye till we meet again.